So the today's topic of our presentation is world without the internet, and in the current scenario, it is impossible to eliminate the internet from the world. But it is interesting to know how the world would be if there is no access to the internet. Nowadays, we all have access to the internet, and we spend most of our time on the internet for education or entertainment purposes. What if there is an internet breakdown and we have no longer access to the internet? And what would be the world? What would the impacts on the world if there is no internet? So, how would the world will survive without the internet? So the first impacts are the business impacts. Internet plays a huge role for any business to extend at a global level, and without the access of the internet, it is very difficult for any business to reach at a to reach at a global scale, because many international and global companies do online selling to reach at a global level. And without online selling, you cannot reach at a global level, and you will limit at a local level. uh, you will reach at a local level, uh, and you cannot monitor your business as well as you can with the access of the internet, because there is an interaction between the buyer and the seller in online business. And yeah, there is an ease of business to do with the help of the internet. And the second part is there is no digital marketing without the internet. Many companies spend a lot of money for digital marketing because they know its importance, and without the digital marketing, it is very difficult uh, for any business to survive in the marketing, because the people will not know what is the business is about. So it will also affect the business. And the last point about the business is the internet research, which data analysts do. They hunt their product, and they hunt the marketing from where to sell their product, and they can see the average marketing price. There is a complete research, and without a strong research, it is difficult for any business to grow. The next point is about banking. Banking is completely dependent, and especially e-banking is completely dependent on the internet. And without the internet, you cannot do ATM transactions, and the process will be much time consuming. Without the internet, your credit and debit cards are just a piece of plastic. Without the internet economy, the world economy will suffer badly without the internet, because the internet have created a million of jobs. Internet have created million of jobs and billion of dollars, and it is a set rule in the developing countries that if you have to reduce the poverty, you have to increase the access of the internet. Because internet give you many job opportunities, and for example, freelancers do the work, uh, data analysts, people who write articles online, and social media influencers, and much more. There is a long list of it. And without having the access to the internet, there is a dip in the economy, especially in the developing countries. So it plays a huge part in the economy. So that's why it is important.
I am starting from one point, which name is social media. Actually, social media is an essential part of study and business. In addition, we can easily communication with family members and foreign people by social networking. In past, the people send letter by page who receive after long time, as well as those masses had enough facing problem this time, and variable time was wasted because of this. Nowadays, mostly people are sending message by internet in a few seconds. A cluster of the like-minded people start their business by networking because mostly people give priority to purchase online things. Social media can be used 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. I am giving example of one social media app which name is email. If they send email another person, it proof will be available on email app. Most of folks send message or purchase anything by social media. Furthermore, emails are delivered extremely fast when compared to other posts. Online Another point name is online education. Online education is the main part of study, as when the student are not understand regarding any topic during classroom, they search on internet. Every type of the materials are available there, as well as without paying we can obtain knowledge and skills. Some people cannot pay high fees for quality education. They acquire experience by networking. Moreover, a lot of teachers are available to understand. For instance, the pandemic online education rate was 19%. If the internet did not available, the people did not obtain opportunity, as well as they did not job during COVID-19. After that, their career was destroyed. So internet help us in different way. Third point name is entertainment and online shopping. We can easily seek in a few minutes. There are a lot of the apps which we use every day, like YouTube, Facebook, and Netflix. We obtain enough benefits from these apps since its apps help us in difficult time, and our precious time is not wasted. For example, when any movie is come, after that they give title and explain on entertainment, and we find out about this. Doing online shopping is the common around the world, as we obtain everything there as reasonable price. In addition, when anything is not available in market, we can easily purchase by online shopping. Therefore, some people give prefer in order to secure their time, while other online shopping gain big offer every day. That's why other people like online shopping.